everybody, my name is Anne. I am here today going to show everyone how to make my favorite breakfast, avocado toast. So let's go over the ingredients that we need to make it. First, I have my avocado, I have some bread, I have two different kinds of spices that I like to use on my avocado toast. I have everything bagel seasoning and crushed red pepper. Lastly, the most important ingredient that I like on my toast is eggs. I'm gonna be using eggs from the brand Utopihen Farms. They are an amazing local brand. They really focus on sustainability. They've encouraged me to go out into the community and help improve my community by planting trees and helping clean up trash. So it's been really cool working with them, and I'm excited to use their eggs today. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is wash our avocado. I already went through and did that. The next step is we are going to cut our avocado. So you want to get a cutting board out and a knife and just slice it right in half. I like to do a little flip with mine there. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Now I want to cut mine into slices because that's how I like it on my toast. So I'm just gonna go through with my knife. You're gonna need a spoon too to scoop out the avocado so you can put it on your toast. And I'm gonna just set this right on my cutting board here. Look at that. Ta-da! Now we're gonna pop the bread in the toaster and we're gonna crack our eggs. So we're just gonna put a little bit of butter in the pan before we get started. There we go. And now it's time to crack our eggs. So one of the things I love about Utopihen Farms is that their eggs are pasture raised, which means their hens are happier because they get to roam free. And happier hens means better tasting eggs, and these eggs are fantastic. So definitely give them a try. And make sure that your pan is fully heated up before you try to crack your eggs into it. Do you hear that sizzle? Beautiful. Look how good these look. Avocado toast is so quick and easy to make too, and it's such a filling breakfast. So these eggs are defo done. Now it's time to go get our toast. It's popping. So I'm just gonna move our eggs off the heat since they're done. And I'm going to start by putting the avocado on the toast. All right, and we're just gonna put this on. All right, time to put our eggs on top. Ooh. These look amazing. Now the last step is to put our spices on top. I'm gonna be using red pepper flakes and a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning. Makes it look so pretty too. Beautiful. I like it hot. And our everything bagel seasoning. I use the everything bagel seasoning instead of salt and pepper just because it has a lot of salt and pepper in it, but you can also add salt, pepper, or hot sauce if you want. Now it's time to enjoy our avocado toast. I'm so excited. It's so good. This flavor is popping.